On this episode of Cooking with Kelly, we're going to make banana pudding. It's not your normal rendition of banana pudding, but it's getting hot outside, and so I like to make one that's a little more chill, a little more refreshing. Typically, I have a banana pudding that is warm and really good, and I like that in the fall or the winter, but we're going to make one that'll be nice for summer as well. So what you're going to need, I never measure, but this time it's pretty easy for me because you can buy it in packages at the store and it's already ready. So I'm making a double recipe. If you just want to make a single recipe, which feeds about 12 people, give or take, then you'll do half of what I'm telling you. But if you want to make a double recipe like I am for work, then get exactly what I'm getting. Okay, so first we've got 2 packages of cream cheese, softened, 2 packages of vanilla pudding mix. You can either get vanilla, you can get French vanilla. I just got regular vanilla. I'm using about 4 bananas. I slice them up like this so it's easier. 2 cans of condensed milk, sweetened condensed milk. Ooh, got a little on me. I'm going to use 4 cups of milk. I'm using coconut milk because I don't really like regular milk, but feel free to use whatever rendition of milk you want. 2 containers of whipped topping, pure vanilla extract, and my secret ingredients, Chessman cookies. So these are shortbread cookies. If you like vanilla wafers and want to just keep your same banana pudding with vanilla wafers, feel free to do so. It'll taste pretty much the same, but I love shortbread cookies, so I use the Chessman cookies. As you can see why they're called Chessman cookies. So those are the ingredients, guys. That's what you're going to need. Okay, so first, we've got your pudding mix. All you're going to do is add in all 4 cups of this milk here. And then I'm going to add a little bit of my vanilla in here as well. So if you get the French vanilla and you feel like that's enough vanilla for you, then that's fine. But if you want to add a little extra, make it super vanilla-y, that's good too. Feel free to mix this by hand. For time's sake, because I like to do things quick and simple, I'm going to use this mixer, and also I want to kind of beat out some of the clumpy parts that pudding can have. You're just going to mix it up. Until it's nice and smooth. Okay, now that the pudding's all mixed up and pudding-like, you're going to get your softened cream cheese and add in the sweetened condensed milk. I like to get all of it out because it's sweet and good. Okay. Another one. All right. Pouring the rest on top of this whipped topping here. I'm just pouring the rest of the contents out, so it's not even, if I had to guess, maybe like 2 tablespoons. And that's just because I save a little whipped topping for the end to top it all off. And I like it super sweet. So once you pour your sweetened condensed in with the cream cheese, simple as that, you're going to blend it. Again, blend till smooth. That the cream cheese mixture is all blended up, we're just going to add in some whipped topping. Just fold it on in. So this is a lot easier just to stir on in. Now once you got the whipped topping in, you see it's gotten a lot fluffier. It's almost like a big marshmallow in here. Once that's in, you're almost done. You're going to take your pudding that you've been letting chill over there, and you're just going to add it in. I try to get as much of it in there as possible. I don't like to waste any of it. And I'm not much of a pudding person by itself, so it's not one of those things that seem very appetizing to me alone. Okay. Then just stir all that up. When it's all mixed good, it'll have this nice little ivory-ish color to it. So that looks good. Now we've just got to put it in the bowl or the pan. Okay, now we're ready to get it all in the pan. Like I said, I'm making a double batch, so I'm making some for work. And then I want to try some, of course, when it's done and nice and cold. So I'm not going to be tacky. I'm not going to eat out of the pan I'm taking to work. I'm also going to make a little small one. So this should be enough to make a pretty big pan worth and a small one as well. So first, you're going to grab your chessments and just line the bottom of your pan. Feel free to put them together. Feel free to spread them out a little bit. I work with a lot of people, so I'm going to put them closer together because I'm estimating one little chessman will be about a serving size. So that way everybody gets a nice chessman. We're going to add some banana in the mix. So I've already cut my banana. I'm just going to put it right on top of the chessman and layer it across. Okay, once you've got that covered, you got your bananas and your chessmans, you're going to add your pudding. Nice and thick. Okay. Just spread it on out. Now, I'm not going to fill it all the way to the top because I did leave a little bit of extra whipped topping out to put over top. I'm just going to take the rest of this whipped topping and scoop it out pretty evenly on the top of this. Alright, now that that's done, you're going to take your chessman and top it. So instead of putting them all across like I did for the crust, I like to mix it up. So I'm going to put them around the edges. And then for the middle portion, I'm just going to crumble up some chessmans. Make it a little decorative. And then got about 1/4 of one. I'm just going to place it right on top like that. Alright, and here we go. Simple and easy banana pudding. You guys, it's even better than it looks.